Hazrat Mustawrid Qureshi said in front of Hazrat Amr bin As radiyallahu anhu that he heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, when the hour will occur, the Romans Christians will form a majority of the people. Hazrat Amr radiyallahu anhu said, see what you are saying. He thereupon said, I am saying what I have heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say. Hazrat Amr radiyallahu anhu said, if you say that, they have 4 characteristics. 1. They are the most clement among the people while undergoing a trial. 2. And they rehabilitate themselves quickly after the stroke of any adversity. 3. And re-attack soon after facing defeat and are best of all people regarding destitute, the orphan and the weak. The 5th quality, which is the best of all, is that they put up a strong resistance against the oppression of the emperors. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7208.